Shiba Inu whale activity has recently spiked, which is absolutely insane and might have a major effect on the breed's price. All the information you need, including the most recent Shiba Inu news, is provided in this video. This video is a must-watch for everyone with a Shiba Inu interest or SHIB tokens. Is there any fresh information on Shiba Inu coins, and if so, how will it impact their value? Today I'll be answering all of your questions and sharing all the new material that has recently surfaced regarding Shiba Inu in a video that you won't want to miss. Please watch this video all the way to the finish so you won't miss any of the information I've gathered. Additionally, click the link in the description to join my free Telegram group. I've had a lot of success with the groups calls, with gains of 10x, 20x, and 40x occurring on many occasions. You are truly sacrificing out if you are not already a part of it, because the feedback has been absolutely phenomenal. Take a look at the Shiba Inu pricing chart for July 29th to get a feel for the market before we go into our main topic. Approximately 1,679 units are being sold today as Shiba Inus. With $188 million in trading activity, SHIB's price has risen 1% in the past 24 hours. At the moment, the token is the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market worth of more than $9.8 billion. It is possible that these prices will have changed by the time you view this video. The information presented here does not constitute investment advice. Follow the link in the description to sign up with Bytunix, where you can trade Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency, including with leverage. At the moment, there is a unique deposit bonus that I am offering. Be sure to give the exchange a try, because it's open to everyone. The video for today is ready to go. Within the past day, 365 billion Shiba have been exchanged. It could have disastrous consequences. Since Shiba Inu's once astronomically high transaction volume has recently dropped, the breed might be in for some rough times ahead. The amount of whale SHIB transactions has dropped below 500 billion SHIB in the past day, reaching 365.69 billion SHIB as recorded in the on-chain database. Potentially imminent price reversal and severe liquidity issues may result from this fall. With a total of 15 transactions made, a review of the on-chain analytics reveals that the volume of big transactions has hit a 7-day low as well. There is a notable difference when compared to the 7-day high of 75 transactions on July 22, 2024. The precipitous drop in whale activity as measured by the number of large transactions and the amount of transactions overall is poor news for price and liquidity support. The price movement of SHIB has created the falling wedge pattern, as shown in the price charts that have been presented. This pattern often suggests volatility and often results in a positive breakout if the price breaks above the upper trend line. Nevertheless, SHIB's present status presents a contradictory image. Not only has the price been unable to break out of its consolidation, but it has also been unable to overcome key moving averages that act as obstacles. The 50-day and 100-day exponential moving averages must be crossed for SHIB to signal a bullish reversal. Currently, the price is hovering near the falling wedge's lower boundary, suggesting that the downtrend could persist if the bearish attitude persists. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. I'd be eternally grateful. With no out-of-pocket expense, you can show your support for the channel. So to stay up to date on all things Shiba Inu, be sure to watch the video, as well as the potential outcomes for the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. There have been updates from the Shiba Inu group. Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme coin project, is actively working on new efforts to advance. A more substantial ecosystem is being hinted at by Lucy, the head of marketing for Shiba Inus, who has lately announced plans for a new Layer 3 blockchain network and other additional coins. The SHIB meme coin project has failed to live up to expectations, despite multiple attempts at development. This new endeavor is in response to news that Shiba Inu was reportedly invested $1.12 million in April, with the express purpose of funding the development of their Layer 3 platform. According to some sources, valuations in recent financing rounds have topped $200 million. In addition to 2 new tokens, Lucy highlighted the expansion. There is a limitless amount of potential for unique decentralized applications inside our ecosystem using SHIB, Leash, Bone, Shibashi, SHIB-MV, Soontreat, and Shi. Building our own Layer 3 network is going to be a huge deal. Lucy claims that completely homomorphic encryption will be a part of the future Layer 3 blockchain network that is based on the current Ethereum Layer 2 network, Shibarium. Collaborating with the open-source cryptography business C system, developers will be able to securely process data without the need to decode it, thanks to this encryption. All of these changes are happening at the same time as Shiba Inu is trying to prove its practicality. Developer Shitoshi Kusama, who specializes in Shiba Inu, expressed a desire to go beyond meager currency initiatives in December 2023. Some members of the community have voiced their disapproval of this quick expansion, though. Some have voiced their concerns on the rapidity and breadth of development. The following were the thoughts expressed by one community member. Changing gears too quickly without completing a task is our main issue. Layer 3 is the last layer before Layer 2 is finished. Prioritize completing the current task. The announcements made by Lucy are timed well, as the Shiba Inu is currently trading around 80% below its all-time highs. A 65% growth has occurred in the Shiba Inu since the start of the year. On the other hand, Pepe Dog with Hat and Bonk 3 new meme coin projects keep doing better than SHIB. We can now get down to the meat of today's video. Shiba Inu does yet another remarkable feat. The most recent accomplishment is detailed here. Less than 12 months after its formal release, Shibarium, the Layer 2 blockchain solution developed by Shiba Inu, achieved yet another significant milestone. Over 6 million blocks have been handled by the network according to the data. Many measures have been trending upward, indicating that the procedure is seeing a major revival as of late. For instance, on July 28th, there were 253 active accounts. The following day, that number jumped to 417. On July 28th, the number of new daily transactions surpassed 5,300, an increase of 188%. Although this number is impressive, it pales in comparison to the millions that Shibarium exhibited at the beginning of the year. Wallet addresses are currently approaching 2 billion, while total network transactions surpass 400 million. Earlier this year, the primary goal of Kyre is to promote the growth of the Shiba Inu ecosystem through the improvement of speed, reduction of transaction costs, and scalability. The continued development of this technology is seen by some in the industry as potentially pivotal in the event of a SHIB rally. Check out our Shibarium news for more ecosystem updates. At the same time, the value of the second most capitalized cryptocurrency by market cap is rising today. Importantly, its resurgence occurs at the same time as the overall cryptocurrency market is seeing an upswing. For example, Bitcoin hit a 6-week high of about $1.70,000, and Solana broke through $190 for the first time since early April. Forecasts for the SHIB price continue to be a hot subject among experts, with some predicting spectacular highs in the not-too-distant future. According to user Javin Marks, the meme currency's RSI has verified a macro-concealed bullish divergence, which may indicate full recovery. If this is true, the coin may then soar to 4,560 units, a 164% increase from its present valuation. In order to detect when prices are overbought or oversold, the Relative Strength Index RSI tracks the rate of change of price movements. When the ratio is greater than 70, it usually means that the token is overbought and a correction might be on the way. The Relative Strength Index RSI has been trading around that level, falling below 30 on July 25th and now sitting at 57. Even further, Javon Markings predicted that SHIB's price might go up to 4,560 units, a 75% increase from the previously cited mark, but there are plenty who take a more pessimistic view. According to Crypto Potato, a user has forecasted that if SHIB fails to break over the 1,700 unit significant resistance, its value could fall below 1,500 units. Keep in mind that towards the week's end, the price remained below that level for an extended period of time.